Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just a buzzword anymore, but a fundamental shift in how business is done. I'm talking about artificial intelligence and automation. For years, we've seen these as tools to make things a little faster, a little cheaper. But I'm here to argue that this perspective is dangerously outdated. AI and automation aren't just tools. They are the new strategic weapons that will define the winners and losers of the next decade. If you're running a business, or even just thinking about your career path, you need to understand this shift. It's no longer about optimizing the old game. It's about mastering a whole new one. Let's start by breaking down the old way of thinking. For a long time, businesses saw AI and automation as add-ons. You'd plug in an automated system to handle customer service emails, or use an AI tool to analyze some sales data. It was about efficiency, cutting costs, and squeezing a little more juice out of existing processes. It was helpful, sure, but it was fundamentally a supporting role. Think of it like giving a medieval knight a slightly sharper sword. He might be a bit more effective, but he's still fighting the same battle in the same way. Now what's happening now is a complete change of the battlefield itself. AI isn't just the sharper sword, it's the fighter jet. It changes everything. So what does it mean to treat AI as a core part of your strategy? It means embedding it into every single facet of your business right from the very beginning. Hey, let's take product development. Instead of guessing what customers want, you can use AI to analyze market trends, social media sentiment, and customer feedback in real time to predict the next big thing. Imagine creating a product that no asterisk people are already asking for, even before they realize it themselves. Companies like Netflix do this brilliantly. Their recommendation engine isn't just a feature, it's the core of their product. It learns your tastes and serves you content, keeping you engaged and subscribed. That's not just optimization. It's a strategic moat that's incredibly difficult for competitors to cross. Then there's marketing. Traditional marketing often feels like shouting into the void, hoping someone hears you. You buy ads, you run campaigns, and you hope for the best. With AI, marketing becomes a precise, personalized conversation. AI can analyze a customer's browsing history, purchase patterns, and even their online behavior to deliver the perfect message at the perfect time on the perfect platform. It's the difference between a generic billboard and a personal shopper who knows your style inside and out. This level of personalization builds deeper customer relationships and drives conversion rates that traditional methods can only dream of. It's a strategic advantage that turns your marketing budget from an expense into a high-return investment. But perhaps the most powerful application is in decision-making. Every business leader has to make tough calls based on limited information. You rely on experience, intuition, and whatever data you can gather. AI supercharges this process. It can sift through mountains of data, financial reports, supply chain logistics, competitor movements, global economic indicators, and identify patterns and opportunities that a human brain simply could not process. It can run thousands of simulations to predict the outcomes of different strategic choices. This doesn't mean the human leader becomes obsolete. It means the leader is now armed with unprecedented foresight, no longer just a captain steering the ship through a fog. You're a captain with a futuristic satellite map showing them every iceberg and every clear channel. Now you might be thinking, this is great for giant corporations with massive budgets. But what about me? I'm running a small business, or I'm just a startup. And this is the most exciting part. For the first time in a long time, the playing field is being leveled. In the past, to compete with the big guys, you needed huge amounts of capital. You needed to build factories, hire massive sales teams, and buy expensive advertising. But the barrier to entry for AI is surprisingly low. Many powerful AI tools are available as affordable subscription services. Open source models are everywhere. The cloud allows you to access immense computing power without buying a single server. This is a golden opportunity for the agile and the innovative. A small, nimble startup can leverage AI to create a hyper-efficient, data-driven operation that can outmaneuver a lumbering corporate giant. Think about it. You can build an AI-powered customer service bot that provides 24/7 support better than a large, outsourced call center. You can use AI to identify a niche market that the big players have completely overlooked. You can create a product so intelligently designed and personalized that it builds a loyal following overnight. Your strategic weapon isn't the size of your bank account. It's the speed at which you can learn and apply these new technologies. The game is no longer about capital. It's about intelligence, both human and artificial. This is your chance to enter the arena and not just compete, but dominate. Of course, embracing this new reality requires a profound change in mindset. This is probably the biggest hurdle of all. We have to stop seeing AI as a complex technical thing that only data scientists can understand. Business leaders, marketers, product managers, everyone needs to develop a fundamental literacy in AI. You don't need to know how to code the algorithms, but you do need to know what they can do. You need to be able to ask the right questions and imagine new possibilities. This means committing to continuous learning. The world of AI is moving at an incredible pace. What was cutting edge 6 months ago is standard today. You have to stay curious. Read articles, watch videos like this one, take online courses, experiment with new tools. Form a small group in your company dedicated to exploring new AI applications. The most dangerous thing you can do right now is assume that what you know today will be enough for tomorrow. It won't. The future belongs to the learners, the adapters, the ones who aren't afraid to unlearn old habits and embrace a new way of thinking. Preparing for this future means recognizing that AI will become an indispensable factor in literally all business operations. It will be as fundamental as electricity or the internet. Can you imagine running a business today without a website or email? It's unthinkable. In a few short years, running a business without a core AI strategy will be just as absurd. It will be the defining line between businesses that thrive and businesses that simply cease to exist. The time to start preparing is not next year or next quarter, it's right now. Start small. Pick one area of your business and ask, how could AI fundamentally change the way we do this? Experiment, learn, and then expand. So, to wrap this all up, it's time to reframe our entire conversation about AI and automation. These are not just optimization tools for the IT department. They are the primary strategic weapons of this century. They are the new ground upon which all business battles will be fought. For large companies, it's a mandate to innovate or be disrupted. For small businesses and startups, it's the greatest opportunity you've had in decades to challenge the incumbents. And for every single one of us, it's a call to action to change our mindset to become lifelong learners and to prepare for a future where your success will be determined not by the resources you have, but by how intelligently you use them. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on navigating the future of business and technology. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How are you using AI in your business or career? Let's start a conversation. Until next time, stay curious and keep building the future.